Sofia, a Year 11 student, and today for the British Science Week I'm going to try an experiment to see the substance's pH. For this experiment I'm going to use the red cabbage because it contains a natural pH that changes color according to acidity of the solution. Doing this, we put the cabbage in a pot and then we add the water. We will need to boil it for almost 30 minutes until the cabbage is soft and the water is a deep purple. Okay, so now that we have cooled down the cabbage, I separate the cabbage by its liquid. So we have a blue juice in this pot that will be our natural pH indicator. So now we still need to filter with a filter and stain, and I will use some paper towel, but you can use whatever you want at home. We take a few cups so that we can test the substances, and in each of them we add a few drops of pH indicator and then dilute it with water. Now, for doing this I will use this, but if you don't have it, it's okay. Okay, now we need to add to our cups the solution of the substances that we want to test. For this we will need some piece of paper to label the solution, so just label them and remember what they are, and the solution you can find at home. I find some vinegar, water, hand sanitizer and stuff like that. You can use milk, and you can use coffee, the thing for the dishwasher, and you can also make juice like with lemon or tomato or grapes. I will start by using some bleach. Now I finished to put the substances in the cup. They came a lot of different color, and I can put it on a scale to see where is the more basic and the more acidic substances. So I prefer a sheet when there is this pH scale. Now I've prepared the pH scale so that I can order all of them, and I will use water as the tester as it is neutral. So I'm sure it has a pH of 7. The natural pH contained into the red cabbage turn the more acidic solution into a pinkish or purple color, and the more basic solution into a greenish color. If it is neutral, it will stay blue as it was the juice. One has acidic properties and the other has basics. So my outcome will be a neutral substance like the water that I can use to compare them. And this will be a neutralization reaction. Okay, now you can see the color is nearly the same. So this will mean that also these substances will have a pH of 7 and will be neutral as the water. And this substances is called sodium acetate, and also create water and CO2.
and I'm a Year 7 student at Leland's High School, and because it's the beginning of British Science Week, we're going to be doing some experiments. The first thing that you have to do is blow up a balloon and then rub it against your hair. Then put it near water and watch what happens. Rubbing the balloon onto your hair adds electrons to the balloon and causes the balloon to become negatively charged. Things that you need are a balloon, bicarbonate of soda, a funnel, vinegar, and an empty bottle. First, attach the balloon to the funnel. Secondly, pour in some bicarbonate of soda into the funnel to go into the balloon. The next thing you need to do is pour in some vinegar into your bottle. The next thing you need to do is attach the balloon to the rim of the bottle. This may be a bit tricky if the rim is wide. When vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. The result of this reaction is two new chemicals. We can see how this causes the balloon to inflate. The things that you need are pins and a balloon. Gather a lot of pins and then push the balloon against them. It didn't pop because the pressure is shared between many pins across a larger surface area. The second time, only use one pin. When the balloon is just on one pin, the pin goes straight through and your balloon pops.